What's up, guys? Welcome to my survival channel. There are geese flying overhead right now. Anyway, I have an axe and it is snowing right now. I came up with the perfect idea. I'm going to build a survival shelter, and in the spring or summer, I'm going to spend at least 2 days in the survival shelter. I'm gonna build it right down here. As you can see, it's very soaking wet. So let me just place this axe down. But before I do that, I have to get these balls out of here. And it's very cold. It's like 36 degrees out. It's pretty cold today. One of the coldest days we've had so far, and it's January 25th. Look at how wet it is. That's at least 3 inches, 2 or 3 inches deep. Oh, it's cold. Okay. So, in order to build a survival shelter to survive, you need to build or dig 4 holes. They don't have to be deep. They only be like 4 or 5 inches, maybe 6 inches, as the frame, and then you'll fill them with sticks and fallen trees as the walls and roof. It's starting to snow pretty hard now, and I'm very cold, and my feet are wet, but I must build, or at least start to build, this survival. Well, I got shovel. I got my shovel. It's a Blue Hawk shovel. I'm covered in snow. I'm gonna start digging out the foundation. Okay, I got a little foundation dug. Okay. I got one beam. Boom. Right here. It's about 3.5 feet, almost 4 feet high. It's very thick. Now, I got my axe and I got all this wood. So I'm gonna strip these branches, strip the bark off of them. First, I gotta cut this. I almost fucking hit myself. Gotta find a spot. My camera. Put it on the ground. It's really thick. All right. I'm gonna try to skin it. I don't have a knife on me right now. Try to peel it off. Try to peel the bark off like that. Oh. Ah, fuck. It's cold. It's pretty cold. Cutting. Come on. My camera's soaking wet. And it's snowing insanely hard now. I think I'm gonna have to continue this another day. It is so cold. I can't I can't strip the bark. And I don't have a knife. So it's very challenging too. Looks like I'll have to continue this tomorrow. As of right now, I'll try to wait out the storm I'll wait out the storm inside of my shed. It has insulation, so it's slightly warmer than outside. But I will see you survivors in the next video.